Hey, what's going on, guys? Just another day here at the home shop, and got a package in the mail today. Company reached out to me to try another product out, and we're going to do that. And not engine related; it's audio related. So let's open this thing up and see what we've got. And which is kind of funny because Ethan and I were talking a while back that he was wanting to change his head unit out in his SRT8. So I had a company reach out to me, want to know if I wanted to try out the product. I said, sure, why not? And so they sent me the head unit. It actually came pretty quick. And so this video here, we're going to unbox it together, see what this thing's all about, see what I'm going to need as far as wiring this up into his car and get that ordered. And as soon as that comes in, then we'll shoot a video on the install and how it works with his setup and his car. And this thing's supposed to have a lot of goodies in it. My audio experience back in the day was the old Alpine pullouts, the CD changer in the trunk. You know, things have progressed greatly since then. I do enjoy listening to good music, good quality music. So let's pull this thing out. And it's a company I've never heard of before, but they've been in business, I think, going on 7 years now. And I did go online and take a look at them and their reviews and stuff, and I've seen a lot of positive reviews on this as far as the price range goes, bang for your buck. So that's one of the reasons why I went ahead and said, yeah, go ahead and send it and we'll check it out. So what we've got here, I think it's pronounced Atutu or Atutu or Atuto, but it's an Autoto head unit, Android base, and it's the F7 model, WE. Like I said, I've been sitting there checking them out online, and it seems like it'd be kind of cool. But it's an in-dash audio, video, and navigation set head unit. And even though it's Android based, it also has a function there for Apple Play, so you can sync your phone into it. But let's find out what's in this thing and what the functions are. So let's see here. We have Wi-Fi antenna. I guess it hooks into the head unit. Looks like a microphone, so you can use your cell phone through the unit. And let's see what we got here. Paperwork, more paperwork. Complete system operation manual. Bracket assembly guide. So I guess this will tell me possibly what kit I'm going to need. But the good thing is these people have already went online for me and figured out what kind of installation kit I'm going to need. So like I said, I got to make sure it's going to work exactly for his vehicle. If it does, we'll get it ordered. Let's see what we got here. Precautions and troubleshooting. Let's see. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Connection instruction manual. And panel operation, cable connection, and installation. So it seems like they give you a pretty good layout on what everything is. Coincides on this side. The pigtail connection for your wiring. So I like the fact that it has a lot of paperwork. That way you can go through it. Let's see. There's the pigtail harness Looks like with the antenna adapter. Looks like side plates for the head unit itself. So that way I guess you can mount it to the adapter plate, whatever you're going to be using. Trim piece for it. And let's see. And the actual head unit itself. Man, there's not a whole lot to it. I'm used to ones back in the day about that deep. It looks like it's got a little amplifier in it. There's the plug in there. Let's see what this is. I think this is for the phone. Yeah, USB charger setup. But man, this thing's got a lot of stuff on the back here. I'm gonna take my glasses off to read this. So we got front left, front right, rear left, rear, sub, audio inputs out. Looks like a thing for a backup camera. Now what I do like about it is it's got little push buttons on it, which I think is pretty cool. Looks like it's got a memory card set up for it. Mic auxiliary out, mute. Seems like it might be a pretty cool little head unit. Let me get this out of the way. So let's see what this thing's about and what it's got and what its functions are. Let's see, the F7 SC Pro XC F7 WE. Let's see, just on the content on what they have available on this unit. Let's see, phone link, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Mirror Link, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Auto Link, radio, Bluetooth, USB, micro SD media, audio video in, SXM, rear camera and front camera connections, 2 display settings, display settings, audio, EQ, radio settings, and Bluetooth. Sound like this stuff's got a lot of stuff in it. This is all the radio functions. But it's cool. I mean, it shows everything, how to set it up, how to go into it. The USB shows rear camera. Here's your settings. Evidently, this also has a steering wheel position. So I guess there must be a way to wire it into your steering wheel controller. Because I don't know most vehicles, but I know on my Dodge product stuff, even my truck, the Charger, the SRT8, you can change channels and volumes and everything in search off the steering wheel. So that'd be cool. But I like the videos input. Man, this thing's just got a whole lot of stuff in it. Wi-Fi. Shows you how to do the expansion and everything for the cameras, wireless steering wheel remote, connections to headrest monitor system. So I guess if you got the little monitors in the back of the headrest, you can connect all that through it. So that's kind of cool. But evidently, you can hook up to everything and anything. You can watch YouTube on it through your Wi-Fi. I guess do Google search stuff as well. Let's see here. But it gives you also what everything is. From your connections, vehicle specification, power connectors, the Wi-Fi antennas, the magnet for the GPS system. I mean, all kind of stuff. And with the Wi-Fi stuff out now, basically with that, and connection to your phone, you can use your maps through your phone. So this is going to be a cool little deal. But I'm going to look through all this a little more, get more in depth with it. But like I said, we're going to try this head unit out, see how she does, put her through her paces. So hopefully here in a week or two, we'll get what we need for it, and we'll get it installed in Ethan's car and see how this thing works. You know, we might do a 6-month review on this thing, a 3-month review, you know, see how long the longevity is of the system and the quality of the sound and everything. So stay tuned, and I'll put in my notification or descriptions on this where you can go look at this and read reviews and everything. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna get reading on this, get myself really familiar with this, and look forward to getting it installed and see how it works. But other than that, guys, as usual, have a safe one, and I'll see you down the road.